today we're going to go over the top 14 customer service metrics that you can use to improve your customer service and how to use them. And so I'm just going to go over the list, and then we have in the blog post an in-depth look at those and how to use them. So first we'll have the customer satisfaction score and the net promoter score, and those are both very popular. The customer satisfaction score will basically just allow you to get a number on your customer satisfaction from the people you've just helped and the customers you've just helped. And so that will be typically out of 5. Then you have the net promoter score, the customer effort score, the customer retention rate, which is a great one to look at, and then the customer churn rate as well, which is how many people are stopping to use your product. And then we'll have the first response time, and that's a great one that you can improve internally by responding quicker, and that may mean adding more customer service representatives or just encouraging your team to respond quicker. We'll also have the first call resolution rate, which is a great one. That basically measures how well your customer service reps are taking care of things on that first call, and hopefully you'll see a high resolution rate on that first call. And then the average customer support ticket resolution time, again, that's a great one to internally work on, and that may be pointing if you have a lot of time that it takes to resolve those tickets. That may mean an issue with resources, or just maybe other things need to improve for that time to speed up. And then you also have the number of customer support tickets open. That's another one to look at if you're having a large number of tickets that are opened. That may signify that either you have a large business, and so you just naturally have a lot of open tickets, or it could mean a problem with either the way you're explaining things the first time, maybe the onboarding process needs to be improved, or maybe your knowledge base needs to be improved. And then it's also important to keep track of the preferred communication channel. So you may look at statistics of who's calling in versus emailing in, versus who's trying to look at the website first to try to find the answer, and so that will give you some opportunities to really improve how you're communicating with your customers. And then the number of upsells and cross-sells, this is another one to keep track of, to see how well your customer support team is doing at kind of selling other products and getting customers more aware of the other products that are sold. And then I kind of went over this, but the helpfulness of your knowledge base articles, and you'll see this if you're getting a lot of the same type of question, which is number 14, the types of customer support tickets. If those are all based on the same subject, you may want to look into if your knowledge base is sufficient, if you have enough resources on that, because that may help you decrease the amount of unresolved tickets, or just the number of customer support tickets that come in general, if you are providing other ways for people to get that information. So this is a large list, but if you work on all of these different metrics, a lot of these are internal things that you can work on with your team, then you will definitely improve your customer service and make a great experience for your customers.